DIY woodworking plans at myoutdoorplans.com.
This 10 by 12 modern shed features a clean, contemporary design with a single slope roof that gives it a sleek architectural look while keeping the structure simple to build. The wide overhang protects the front wall and adds visual depth, while the horizontal siding and crisp white trim create a fresh contrast that works beautifully in any backyard setting. The Clerestory windows just below the roofline bring in plenty of natural light without sacrificing privacy, and the double French doors make the interior feel open, bright, and inviting. The shed sits on a sturdy base and includes a small covered porch that adds both charm and functionality. The front pergola-style detail softens the lines of the structure and creates a welcoming entry, perfect for turning this shed into a backyard office, creative studio, or cozy guest retreat. On myoutdoorplans.com, I offer detailed step-by-step plans for this 10 by 12 shed, including 3D diagrams, full cut lists, and all the information you need to build it efficiently and with confidence.
See step-by-step tutorial with full cut and shopping lists at myoutdoorplans.com. See step-by-step tutorial with full cut and shopping lists at myoutdoorplans.com.